So, hello, beautiful people. In our first part, we talk about Elon Musk whole day. So, if you in a life of Elon Musk, so in part one, we can bifurcate this in a five parts. So, our first part is breakfast and a school run. So, Elon Musk's schedule is so tight, and so they skip their breakfast and drink only coffee, and then they carry their children and go to the office. No, their children don't go office. They go to they drop their five kids to a school. If we talk about for a school, so I wanted to tell you that their children don't study as a common school. Where Elon Musk realized that in 2014 that in a private education the things are not practical and not the accurate. So they build a school and name the school is a AD Astra School. So in this school, Elon Musk's kids and SpaceX and Tesla's employee kids study together. In this school, they teach only based on four principles, that is ethics, science, maths and the engineering. Yes, they learn engineering in their childhood, but what you expect when their school built by Elon Musk? In this school, they don't have any books and they write notes in a laptop. When you see this child, then you easily told that they build a next generation of a SpaceX. Such a long-term planning. Our next is a work day. So Elon Musk go to the office after drop him to school. So in office that they divide all their work in 5 minutes short. So like file checking, follow-ups with the employees design, and there are lots of different work. Then they give only 5 minutes for each every work. We watch TV and eat food, but Elon Musk is so busy, so they eat food when they attend a meeting, and in a 5 minutes as possible as they eat pizza slice or a sandwich, and they drink 6 to 7 can cokes and 4 to 5 black coffee in a day. We know that this type of junk food is a very unhealthy drinks, but according to Elon Musk, this is a time-saving food. And now see where and how Elon Musk work. So now Elon Musk has a five company, and they focus on a main two company, Tesla and the SpaceX, and they use the time management for handle this type of schedule according to his schedule. So a Monday, Friday, and a part of the Saturday they live in a SpaceX where a common person work 20 hours in a 2.5 days, where Elon work 40 hours in a 2.5 days, where Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday they work 14 hours a day and 42 hours in a 3 days. And in these two company they give 80% of their time, where Elon made a new design, and 20% they give board meeting and approve other project and design, where they go to the washroom they carry a laptop, and where we see Instagram, and in a bathroom where Elon Musk gives a mail answer and messages. According to Elon Musk, nature's call is a fantastic time to check some emails and get a few moments of peace. So now we discuss about the office life. So where we they built their rule. So part 3 is a meeting rule. So lots of company waste their time for meeting. This is things that does not happen in this company. So he built a three rules. That first is a no large meeting. It's a simple things that when lots of people in a meeting, so lots of opinion. So that's why Elon Musk decided to that in a meeting only 3 to 4 people have, so they don't waste their time. If you don't add a value in a meeting, so get out from the meeting. This means this rule is so rude, but Elon Musk said that if you don't have any topic and don't tell any topic in a meeting, so they have two reason that other person have a chance to express their idea for particular topic, And second, you don't waste your time and go to work. And this rule applied in Elon Musk. If any person talk useless things in a phone calls, they disconnect a phone call. And third rule is a no frequent meeting in their office. They don't talk again and again for a topic that they believe that if any plan does not work, so leave it and make some new plans. And don't waste your time for this plan, invest this time into make a new plan. So this is the three rules for a office meeting. But we miss some topic. What? Yes, they told that they work 100 hours in a week, but in a SpaceX 40 hours and a Tesla 42 hours. When we calculate this is only 82 hours. Where goes 80 hours? So this is question answer. We need to jump in our part 4. So our part 4 is after work. A normal person work 8 hours in a day and after sleep. But Elon Musk work 14 hours a day, and after for enjoyment they again work. So you don't forget that Elon Musk owner of 5 companies also have a family. So the part 5 is a family time. And after half of a day in a SpaceX, then he become a family man, where they come home and see movies with his girlfriend, Grims, or help for their children in a study. And a Sunday they enjoy their full day and play video games with their children. I hope you like this video. If you want this type of content more, then please subscribe our channel and comment below your thoughts. Thanks for watching.